Welcome to Bike Update, your trusted source for the latest motorcycle and two-wheeler news. Today, we take a closer look at the 2026 Coleman CT200U Mini Bike, a small but mighty machine that combines rugged simplicity with modern updates. Known for its durability and off-road fun, the CT200U has been a favorite among mini bike enthusiasts for years, and the 2026 edition takes this classic to new levels. Design and styling. The 2026 Coleman CT200U retains the rugged, old-school mini bike charm but with a more refined build. Its steel frame, wide stance, and fat off-road tires give it a tough appearance, while updated finishes and modern touches bring freshness to its design. The bike remains compact and lightweight, making it easy to handle and transport, yet capable of handling trails and backyard adventures with ease. Engine and performance. At the heart of the CT200U sits a dependable 196 cubic centimeters four-stroke engine. Built for simplicity and reliability, it provides enough torque to conquer dirt paths and uneven trails while remaining beginner-friendly. With a top speed of around 20 miles per hour, the 2026 CT200U balances safety with excitement, ensuring riders of all ages can enjoy the experience. Its pull-start system and improved carburation make it easy to fire up and ride anytime, anywhere. Suspension and handling. Coleman has reinforced the 2026 model with an upgraded suspension setup that improves comfort over bumpy terrain. Its wide tires and low center of gravity provide stability, while the rear drum brake ensures confident stopping power. The CT200U is designed for fun, control, and durability, making it perfect for recreational riding and light off-road use. Features and utility. The 2026 Coleman CT200U stays true to its simple roots, but also adds useful touches for modern riders. Its reinforced chain guard improves safety, while the sturdy steel frame supports riders of various sizes. With its easy-to-maintain design, the bike is as practical as it is fun. Coleman has also introduced new color options and minor ergonomic improvements to enhance the overall riding experience. Comfort and practicality. Despite being a mini bike, the CT200U offers surprising comfort. A padded seat, upright riding position, and wide handlebars make it suitable for longer rides. Its compact design makes it a convenient choice for campsites, off-road trails, and backyard fun, proving that good things do come in small packages. Conclusion. The 2026 Coleman CT200U Mini Bike continues the legacy of rugged reliability and endless fun. With a strong engine, classic design, and modern refinements, it's a machine built for both young riders discovering the thrill of two wheels and adults who want a nostalgic off-road experience. Coleman has once again shown that adventure doesn't have to be complicated. The CT200U delivers it in the simplest and most exciting way possible.